Good morning, everyone. I am Ethan and I am the barangay captain. We have a 500,000 pesos budget, and how do we allocate it effectively?
Sir, may I speak?
Just a minute.
I really need this scholarship so that I can continue my study.
I am Rowing Pan, Kagawan Education. I think education is the key. More scholarship will help our youth.
Medicine are so expensive now. Please prioritize our health.
Health services are critical. We need more funding for the
Good morning everyone, my name is Burgos. As a Kagawad businesses, you should invest in small businesses to boost the local economy.
Sir,
Yes.
I also suggest a job training program for unemployed residents because a job training programs can help us to find employment. You are one of our exceptional students, but you need some financial aid.
I dream of becoming an engineer, but I don't know how to afford school.
Hello, excuse me. I would like to sponsor you if you agrees to work in my company after graduation.
scholarship should be purely based on merit, not other obligations.
Good morning, everyone. So, target market, sir. So, customer or clients of any age and gender are
Everyone, please start off. Sir, please continue.
market segment.
I've been repeatedly passed over for my promotion. Despite of my qualification, it feels like my personal life and my mannerism is against me.
We take this allegation seriously. Can you provide specific standards where you felt your gender expression or perceived sexual orientation played a role?
We must ensure accurate and exclusive workplace for all employees, regardless of gender identity or sexual orientation. Discrimination of any kind will not be tolerated.
The company needs to address potential biases related to gender expression and sexual orientation. In its hiring and promotional practices, we need a concrete action, not just a word.
Okay, for this practice, you'll need poster board and also presentation materials.
Yes, I can get it. Nice one, guys. We can afford it.
My son, I will give you my birthday.
Take it there.
That's going to be difficult for me.
Yeah, right.
Don't worry, I can provide.
Okay, I know that not all of you can afford that materials. So, we'll try to find solution to help everyone participate.
So, for the book here,
Hey, you cannot sell here. It's against the law.
But this is how I feed my children and help them with school.
It's against the...
It's illegal.